Welcome back to Eatsy, where if we can make it, so can you, because it's Eatsy. Today we're going to be making no-bake stuffed bell peppers. Our ingredients will be 1 onion, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, olive oil, 1 or 2 cups of cooked rice, 1 pound of beef, turkey, or meat of your choice, and 1 large can of diced tomatoes. Seasoning will include black pepper to taste, 5 cloves of minced garlic, about half a cup of Parmesan, and a teaspoon each of salt, sugar, hot pepper flakes, and dried basil or parsley, all of which are optional. Start by removing the tops of the peppers like it's the French Revolution all over again, and then scoop the insides out so you've got 6 or 8 hollow peppers ready to rock. Next, you'll take the tops of your 1700s French nobility peppers and dice them up. We've used multiple colors of peppers, but you can use whatever colors you want. Do the same thing with the onion. Dice it like you're shredding incriminating paperwork that you want to hide from the IRS. We're going to be making the stuffing for the peppers first. To start, you'll add some olive oil to a pan over medium-high heat. Add in about half of your diced onion and almost all your garlic. Save a pinch or 2 of garlic to add to your tomato sauce later. Give the onions and garlic a little cooking, and then add a pinch of chili peppers if you want to, and toss in your giant 1-pound meatball. Make sure you break the meat apart thoroughly, like the meat is a stolen car going through your cousin's chop shop. Once your beef or meat of choice is browned, add in the diced French nobility pepper tops and integrate them thoroughly in your beef. Then you'll add your cooked rice and mush it in there just like you did the diced peppers and beef. If you want to, you can add some salt, or don't if you don't feel like it. When your stuffing is done cooking, put it in a bowl, set it aside, and let it cool down like your mother-in-law's temper. While it's cooling, you can start your tomato sauce, which I'm going to go over in just a little bit here. When your beef is cool enough, you'll add the cup of mozzarella and the half cup of Parmesan and stir it all up. Then take your peppers and stuff them firmly. You kind of want to make them look like the most disappointing ice cream cones you've ever spent too much money on. Here's the tomato sauce instructions that you can do while waiting for your stuffing to cool down. Once again, start with some olive oil. Toss in half your diced onion and a pinch or 2 of the garlic that you had saved from before. Heat the onion and garlic up for a bit and then toss in some chili pepper flakes if you want to, and black pepper to taste. And then add in the can of tomatoes. Here you can add a bit of salt, a teaspoon of sugar, and your basil or dried parsley. The point of the sugar is to reduce down the acidity of the tomato a bit. If you don't have dried basil or parsley, then don't worry about it. It's going to be fine either way. Let your tomato sauce roll at a boil for about 5 minutes to reduce the amount of water. Then you're going to take your little disappointing ice cream cone stuffed peppers and put them top down in the sauce. This replaces the baking portion of other stuffed pepper recipes. Cover them up and let them cook like that for about 20 minutes. When they're done, the peppers will have gone a bit transparent, and you should be able to cut them easily with a butter knife. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and give a like if you want to.